What's up, everybody? It's your friend Ricky J. Alvarez here, Ricky the Realtor with Boulevard Real Estate and Alvarez and Associates. Thanks again. Appreciate all you guys joining us, tuning in. This is now episode number 42 of Raw and Uncut Real Estate, and it's a pleasure to be here. We're out here in Arnold, California, enjoying this beautiful scenery behind me. As you can see, don't have the tequila bottles today, but we do have beautiful Mother Nature here as well. So just wanted to jump on you guys and just piggyback off our last video, where we talked about 'tis the season, that the fall season into the winter is probably going to be a little bit of a better market for our buyers. Less buyers, maybe a little bit less inventory. We will see a little bit less just because of the holidays and folks don't want to move and all that good stuff. But it's a good time to go up against less competition, maybe a little bit more bargaining power, wiggle room there for negotiation and stuff like that. But we are seeing buyers being very aggressive still. And a lot of my clients, a lot of people are asking, Rick, I thought you said that this was going to be a less competitive market. And it is, everybody. We're not going up against 10, 20, 30, 40 offers. There's maybe a handful. But you guys got to remember that us realtors have educated these clients throughout this entire process. They're used to overbidding. And us realtors are still marketing these homes below where we want them to fall, which means that we're pricing them anywhere between 8 to 10% sometimes in certain areas below where we'd like the price, the offer prices to come in, right? So that's still going on. Buyers are educated. You have realtors like myself coaching these amazing buyers to get the home of their dreams, to be aggressive enough to get their offer accepted. So it's not to say that we're not going to be going up against folks and we're not going to be overbidding and all that stuff, but we are going to see a little bit more bargaining power once we get into contract, because they don't have 20 offers to go off anymore, you guys. They have maybe 3 or 4. And since buyers are being a little bit more selective right now with the inventory, they're able to pick and choose where they want to write their offer. They're being a little bit more, I would say, patient in this market because of the fact that they're not in a rush anymore. The spring market is over. We're now going into the fall and the winter season, where homes will be coming on, folks that do need to sell. But again, buyers are being a little more selective on their inventory right now. They're not jumping at the first opportunity because they know if they do wait in the spring, we do have more inventory coming on. Inventory will continue to come on up until the spring as well. So folks being a little bit more selective, also being very aggressive when they need to. So wanted to give you guys that information, make sure you understand what's going on, and just be transparent with you that although we did say that it's a great time to buy, folks are still very educated and leaning on us realtors to assist them to get their offers accepted. So once again, thank you very much. I appreciate all you guys joining me. I'm gonna go back to enjoying this beautiful scenery here in Arnold, California. Wish you guys all the best, and I'll talk to you very soon. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye-bye.